What if I told you that one small, almost unbelievable habit, just 5 grams a day, quietly flipped the switch on my entire body, calmed years of hidden inflammation, melted stubborn fat that refused to move, and reignited muscle growth I thought was gone forever, not through pain, punishment, or extreme discipline, but through understanding how the body truly heals, especially after the years have added wisdom to our lives. Let me speak to you honestly, from one human being to another, especially if you're no longer chasing youth, but reclaiming strength, dignity, and control over your body. Because what I discovered did not come from obsession, shortcuts, or desperation. It came from finally realizing that most people are fighting the wrong battle in the wrong order. And once you understand this, your body begins to respond with almost shocking speed, because the real enemy is not fat, it is not weak muscles, it is not slow metabolism. The real enemy is silent inflammation, the kind that does not always hurt but quietly controls everything. How much fat you store, how fast your muscles break down, how insulin behaves, how quickly you recover, and even how fast you age. And this is where everything changed for me, because instead of forcing my body to burn fat or grow muscle, I focused on calming the internal fire that was sabotaging both. And I did it with one simple rule: 5 grams every single day. No extreme doses, no trendy stacks, no complicated plans, just consistency backed by science and patience. And within weeks, something extraordinary happened. My joints felt lighter, my body stopped holding on to fat as if it were protecting itself. My muscles responded faster than they had in years, and my energy returned in a way that felt clean and stable, not wired or artificial. And that was the moment I realized that when inflammation comes down first, everything else follows naturally. Because inflammation is not just soreness or stiffness, it is a biological switch that tells your body whether to store or release fat, whether to build or break muscle, whether to heal or deteriorate. And research has shown again and again that chronic low-grade inflammation blocks muscle protein synthesis, meaning you can train hard and still lose muscle. It also tells your body to cling to fat, even when calories are controlled. And when scientists lower inflammation first, fat loss and muscle growth stop fighting each other and start working together. And what stunned researchers most was not the complexity of the solution, but the simplicity of the dose: 5 grams, the sweet spot where benefits peak without overwhelming the body. And this is where the journey truly begins, because I tested 5 different compounds, each at that same 5-gram daily dose. Some helped modestly, some exceeded expectations, but one rose so far above the rest that researchers repeated trials just to confirm the results. And today I want to walk you through this journey, not as hype, but as empowerment, ranked from the least powerful to the most transformative, because knowledge gives you choice, and choice gives you control. And if you are listening right now, take a moment and ask yourself, how old am I, and where am I watching from? Because your story matters, and your experience could spare someone else years of frustration. And now let us begin with the quiet foundation, the compound that surprised researchers but only scratched the surface of what was possible. MSM, organic sulfur that works like oil on rusted hinges, calming pain signals, reducing joint inflammation, and supporting collagen production so your body can move again without fear. Because sulfur is essential for connective tissue, skin, hair, nails, and when taken consistently at 5 grams daily, especially on an empty stomach, it begins to soften stiffness, improve digestion, and reduce those random aches that steal joy from simple movement. And when inflammation drops here, the body breathes a little easier. Then comes glycine, the quiet nighttime builder, the amino acid that works while you sleep, lowering core body temperature, deepening restorative sleep, boosting growth hormone release, rebuilding collagen, improving insulin sensitivity, and calming the nervous system so anxiety loosens its grip. Because when sleep improves, everything improves. Recovery, fat burning, muscle repair, mental clarity, and emotional balance. And glycine does not sedate, it optimizes, allowing you to wake up clearer, stronger, and steadier. Then we step into nourishment at the cellular level with spirulina, the blue-green powerhouse that delivers complete protein, antioxidants, iron, omega fats, and anti-inflammatory compounds in a form the body absorbs with incredible efficiency. reducing markers like C-reactive protein, improving cholesterol, boosting endurance, cleansing toxins, and feeding muscles directly, which is why energy rises, cravings fall, and definition begins to show without force. Then comes collagen peptides, the structural glue of the body, the scaffolding that holds you together, restoring cartilage, tendons, skin, and muscle fibers, reversing years of silent wear, increasing satiety so overeating fades naturally, signaling growth hormone release, reducing joint pain, and strengthening the very framework that allows movement to feel safe again. And by now, the body is already changing. Inflammation is down, recovery is up, muscles are responsive, and fat is no longer defended. But then comes the final key, the compound that multiplies everything that came before. Creatine monohydrate, the most studied supplement in human history. Not a steroid, not a stimulant, but a natural energy molecule that saturates muscle cells, increases phosphocreatine stores, enhances strength, endurance, and cellular hydration, triggering protein synthesis while reducing breakdown, essentially forcing muscles to grow even at rest. And in older adults, this effect is nothing short of astonishing, restoring lost lean mass, improving balance, reducing fall risk, increasing metabolic rate, and even supporting brain energy, memory, and mental resilience, because your brain uses creatine just like your muscles do. And when taken consistently at 5 grams daily, without loading phases or gimmicks, the body reaches saturation and transformation follows, safely, reliably, and sustainably. And here's the truth that matters most. It is not about taking everything perfectly. It is about understanding why the body responds. Inflammation down first, then fat loss and muscle growth follow naturally. And when these 5 compounds are used together, they create synergy, each amplifying the other, turning your body into a system that heals, burns, and builds instead of fighting itself. And this is not about chasing youth. It is about reclaiming strength, independence, and confidence, about walking without fear, lifting without pain, sleeping deeply, thinking clearly, and waking up proud of how your body responds to your care. And if you stay consistent for 60 days, just 60 days, 5 grams at a time, you may look in the mirror and realize something powerful, that your body was never broken, it was simply inflamed and misunderstood. And if this message lit a spark inside you, if it gave you clarity instead of confusion, then stay connected, because knowledge shared is strength multiplied. And here at the Seniors Hub, we believe that aging is not a decline, it is a refinement. And your strongest chapter may still be unfolding. If this message spoke to you, don't let it end here. Take one powerful second right now to support yourself and others like you by tapping the like button. Because every like helps this message reach another senior who may be struggling in silence. Then subscribe to the Seniors Hub and turn on the notification bell so you never miss practical, science-backed guidance designed to help you stay strong, independent, and confident at every age. And before you go, comment your age and where you're watching from, because your story matters. Your experience can inspire someone else. And together we are building a community where aging is not feared, it is mastered.